Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the difference between secure loan and unsecured loan. So before that, you need to understand the basic concept of loan. So basically, a loan is when you receive a money from a friend, bank or the financial institution, and in exchange of that you need to pay the future repayment of principal amount as well as the interest amount is known as loan. Here, principal amount is the amount which you borrow and the interest amount is the amount which is charged for receiving the loan. For example, if an individual take out a rupees 3 lakh as a loan from a bank and the loan agreement stipulated that the interest rate on the loan is 15% annually. As a result, the borrower will have to pay the bank a total of 3,45,000 at the end of the year. So here 3 lakh rupees is the principal amount and the 45,000 is the interest amount. Hope it's clear to all of you. Moving forward with the difference between the secured loan and unsecured loan. So, secured loan is the loan which is secured by any asset is known as secured loan. On other hand, the loan in which there is no any asset put as a mortgage or a security is known as unsecured loan. So, example, if I talk about the example of secured loan, then we can take the example of home loan. In home loan, when a person take a loan from a bank for home, at that time he or she need to put the property paper at bank as collateral. That's why it is known as secured loan. Other than it, car loan, business loan, etc. are also come under the secured loan. Then if I talk about the example of unsecured loan, then we can take the example of education loan or we can see the student loan. In education loan, the person not put anything or the asset as a security. That's why it is known as unsecured loan. Other than it, you can also take the example of personal loan, credit card, medical bills, etc. These all are also come under the unsecured loan. Next difference is basis. In secured loan, loans are given on the basis of collateral or any asset. In unsecured loan, loans are given on the basis of the creditworthiness of the customer. Another difference is pledging of asset. So, assets are put as a pledge in secured loan, but there is no need to put anything as a pledge in unsecured loan. Then risk of loss. In secured loan, the assets are put as a collateral. That's why risk of loss is very low as compared to the secured loan. On other hand, there is no any asset or the things are put as a mortgage in unsecured loan. That's why the risk of loss for the bank or the financial institution is very high. Another difference is the tenure or the time period. So, the time period in secured loan is long term. The repayment period can be ranged from few years to the couple of decades. It's depending upon the lender and the types of loan. But in unsecured loan, the tenure is short. The time period is range between the 12 months to 60 months only. Another difference is expensive. So secured loan is not that much expensive due to the low interest rate, but in unsecured loan the interest rate is very high. That's the reason it is expensive as compared to the secured loan. Next difference is borrowing limit. So the borrowing limit for the borrower is high in secured loan. It's depend upon the value of the asset, sources of the income of the borrower, etc. On other hand, the borrowing limit in unsecured loan is less compared to the secured loan. In this, you can avail a loan amount of up to rupees 25 lakhs, and for doctors, the borrowing limit is up to 30 lakhs in unsecured loan. And the last difference is what happen, or we can say the rights of lender in case of borrower failed to repay the loan amount. So in unsecured loan, when the borrower failed to repay the loan amount, then the lender has the right to forfeit the asset, or we can say he can sell the asset and get back his money. But in unsecured loan, as I told you, there is no any asset put as collateral, so the lender has no option to sell anything. But in this case, the lender can sue him for the money, or he can give bad credit to the borrowers. So this is all about the difference between the secure loan and unsecured loan. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, always learn with me.